Word 2013 makes it easy for you to create many different kinds of labels. Typically, labels come in sheets that you place in the tray of your printer, just like a stack of paper. After they're printed, you peel them off. You can find labels that work with almost any type of printer, whether it's an inkjet or laser. You can even get continuous feed labels. When you find the label you want, let's say we're looking for simple address labels, check to see if there's a template for it in Word. Why? Because templates can save you a lot of time. I'll show you what I mean. Let's create some return address labels. Open a blank document in Word. Click the Mailings tab and click Labels. Then click Options. Under Printer Information, choose the type of printer you have. The printer we're going to use is a basic page printer. Next, choose a label vendor. As you can see, there are a lot to choose from. We'll go with Avery US Letter. That gives us the standard US letter size of 8.5 by 11 inches. Then choose the product template you want from that vendor. Having a label template saves you time because all the setup is done for you. Click Details and you can see all the measurements that we won't have to enter now because we have a template. If you need to use a label that doesn't have a template, see Movie 4 to find out how to create a custom template. So once you have your labels and you've selected the appropriate template, you can add your content. Click OK. In the box labeled Address, type your address or other content. Next, decide whether to print a full page of the same label or just print a single label. Let's stick with full page. We'll do a single label in a moment. Finally, we can move right ahead and print the labels or click New Document. When we do that, Word places the labels in a new document that's ready to print. The advantage of doing it this way is that we can add formatting. We'll look into that in Movie 3. When you're ready to print, click File and Print. Check the print preview. Make sure the right printer is selected and the label sheets are in the printer tray, and then click Print. Before we move on, click Mailings and Labels, and I'll show you how to print one label at a time instead of a whole page. For example, you might want to do this if you only have one label left on a sheet. Let's say we want to print the label on row 3, column 2. Click Print. And the full sheet of labels goes through the printer, but only that one label is printed on. So now you know how to create multiple labels with the same text. Up next, we'll create multiple labels with different text that we can use for mass mailing.